Welcome to lesson number 2 of this course. Today we are going to see how to install Sublime Text and XAMPP. In lesson 1, we saw that Sublime Text will help us as a code editor, and XAMPP will help us to view or to test our project offline. Before starting, you need to check if you have internet connection. So here I have internet connection. Then you open any web browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or Opera, any web browser. For me, I'm going to use Google Chrome. I click on Google Chrome. Then I type google.com. So I'm going to search for Sublime Text and XAMPP. Sublime Text free download. I click it. So the best one is this first one from www.sublimetext.com. Then you click on download. After clicking on download, you come here on Windows because I'm using Windows. Click on Windows. Then it will start downloading. Also, let me go back. Then I search for XAMPP. Free download. You can click here or here, anywhere, no problem. So here you can download this one, XAMPP installer, and download for Apache friends. Okay, click download here. So here they will give you different version. So let us download this one, PHP 80.2.12. So you come here, you click download. The next step is to install them. So let me close this or minimize it. So for me, I have already downloaded them. So I have them in downloads. The first one, I'm going to install Sublime. I double click on Sublime. Then I click yes. Then next. Then install. Just as you click next and install, there's no other step. Then you click finish. So automatically I have already installed the Sublime Text. Then I come here and XAMPP. Also I have XAMPP here. Then I click yes. Then when this one comes, you click OK, there's no problem. Then you click next. So here also you click next. Then please choose a folder to install XAMPP. Okay, this one, no problem. Next. English, next. Next. Then you wait for it to be completed. Then after installing them, we are going to open them. Let me first open Sublime Text. I open it. Then this is where we will type our code. So next time we'll see how to use this Sublime Text to edit HTML code, CSS code, PHP code, and even JavaScript code. Let's open XAMPP, then we see how it looks. So you can type here XAMPP. So it is here, XAMPP control panel. Open it. So this is the control panel of XAMPP. When you are going to connect to database, we will start Apache and we start also MySQL. We shall see them later when you are going to connect to database. Another important thing I want to show you, let's open local disk C. Then we go to XAMPP. It is already there. XAMPP. Open it. Then we come here on this folder hdocs. This folder hdocs is where we will put our project. So when I open it, we will put all project inside this folder called hdocs. So it is where our project will be running offline. Then next time in lesson 3, we will start writing HTML fast code. Remember to share, subscribe, comment, and turn on notification. Thank you.